Ever been hit with a surprise fee at checkout, struggled to cancel a subscription, or felt pressured to tip a cab driver before your ride has even started? These are not bugs, they're features. They're called dark patterns, sneaky design tricks that manipulate users into taking actions they never intended. Let's decode what dark patterns are, how widespread they've become in India, and how the government, led by Consumer Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi, is now cracking down hard on them. And stick around till the end, I'll also tell you what you can do to protect yourself. So, what exactly are dark patterns? The deceptive design practices embedded in apps, websites, meant to mislead users into spending more money, sharing more data, or agreeing to terms they didn't mean to. Under the Consumer Protection Act 2019, these are classified as unfair trade practices and can attract penalties or lawsuits. And the problem? It's rampant. A 2024 report by Advertising Standards Council of India found that 52 out of the 53 most downloaded apps in the country used at least one form of dark pattern, from hidden charges and forced opt-ins to false urgency and misleading prompts. And it's not just data, there are real examples too. Like recently on social media, a Zepto user mentioned that she found a contraceptive pill added to her cart without consent. Classic example of basket sneaking. Another user reported being denied delivery benefits despite paying for a subscription. This is a case of drip pricing, where hidden fees creep in only at checkout. And just last week, ride-hailing apps like Uber, Ola, and Rapido were flagged for a newer trick, advanced tipping, nudging users to tip before the ride in return for a faster pickup. Minister Prahlad Joshi called this unethical and exploitative, saying tipping should be voluntary, a thank you, not a speed tax. The government has already issued a notice to Uber and others and is investigating the matter. At the core of the crackdown is a government push to restore trust and transparency. On May 28th, Joshi chaired a major meeting with over 50 companies from Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato, Meta, Apple, Ola, and others. His message was quite clear. Don't wait for enforcement. Audit your platforms, remove dark patterns now. Companies have also been asked to submit annual audit reports, and a joint working group is being formed to enforce compliance across the board. At the same time, consumers are being empowered too. The government, in partnership with IIT BHU, has launched 3 digital tools to fight these dark patterns. First, the Jagriti app, where users can report dark patterns or suspicious websites. Second, the Jago Grahak Jago app, which gives real-time safety scores for e-commerce platforms. And third, the Jagriti dashboard, used by regulators to track and analyze complaints. So how can you stay safe? Start by reading carefully. Check your cart, look out for items added without consent. Ignore fake countdowns or only 2 left alerts that are designed to create this panic. If you are signing up for a free trial, let's say, check the fine print. How easy is it to cancel? Check that. And if you are being nudged to tip before a service, remember that it's your choice and not a requirement. The bottom line, dark patterns are everywhere, but awareness is your first line of defense. And with enforcement tightening, companies will be under immense pressure to clean up their act. So stay tuned, stay smart, and stay safe.
Thank you for watching us on CNBC TV 18. For all news and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us on all social media platforms.